you know, as you're getting ready for dinner tonight, now might be a good time to sit down and talk to your teenager.
Well, that's right. Our kids, they're growing up so fast, and as Sarah Wall tells us, those big talks are tough, but they are so important.
Okay, moms, here's a question. Have you had the talk? The one that focuses on sex, drugs, alcohol, all of those hard topics? Well, here's the scary thing. Experts say these days those talks need to come younger and younger. That's because our kids are being exposed to things at younger ages. Think about all that comes with social media, TV shows, commercials, magazines, and the internet. Our kids are growing up quickly, and the world they live in is full of choices and challenges, a lot of which are hard to understand and hard to explain.
We feel that the world is a more dangerous place, and so we are very vigilant, sort of this rise of the helicopter parents. We want to descend and make sure that our kids don't go down this path and don't get into trouble that will stick with them and really cause consequences.
Experts say it's important to have these conversations with our kids, even though they're tough. They say we should get that line of communication open early on. So we should start talking with our little ones about different things when they're young and keep talking. We should initiate the conversation. Our kids may not want to ask questions about difficult things, so go ahead, moms and dads, you get that ball rolling. Create an open environment, one where your kids will feel comfortable coming to you, and we should share our own values. Be sure to listen when our kids talk, be honest and patient, and use everyday opportunities to talk. It doesn't have to be a big sit-down conference to get through to them. And experts stress, talk about it again, and again and again. You get the idea. Now, this is some hard stuff we're talking about today, so we have some more talking tips for you on our website, fox10tv.com. In Mobile, Sarah Wall, Fox 10 News.